So this is a Mossy Oak Centershot bow. Bought it at Walmart. I think it goes by a couple different names also, but you can see here that my arrow rest broke within just a few minutes of starting to use it, so I can't really put my arrow up in here right now. So it's because this thing's pretty delicate, really. So I designed a replacement that's 3D printed, and I'm going to show you how to replace that now. Here's the replacement arrow rest, and I'm going to show you how to replace that now. Just take a little screwdriver, pop the edge of the clip out here. Then you can take the rest of the clip out. Then you can get the arrow rest out. Throw that one on the ground because you don't need that anymore. Here's the 3D printed replacement. Just slide it in. Make sure it's fully inserted. Take the clip, put the clip back in place, and now you've got a replacement arrow rest. And this one's a whole lot stronger than the original one is. So there it is with an arrow resting there in the middle of the arrow rest. So you can buy my arrow rest on eBay and on Amazon.